It's back, you guys. The Hellcat that we know and love, just that much better. 2027 Hellcat. Is it worth the wait? Let's go. What is going on, YouTube? I am back with another video, and I'm back with something I have been waiting on since 2023. We're talking about 2 and some change years of waiting for Dodge to come out with the news they just gave us. 2027 V8s are back in the Dodge Chargers. Yes, the EV and the purple SEMA Charger you guys saw is real. It is not a prototype. That will be the 2027 Hellcat, a 6.2 liter V8 supercharged greatness, right? Let's talk about it. So, one, they've already answered, can the big V8 fit in this EV body style? They answered it by simply putting together that drag pack from fall of 2025. Now, if you didn't see the drag pack charger, I'll place some photos of it, but I want to actually tell you guys something that I've been holding in for a while. One, if you guys don't know, John Green, who is my tuner, who is the owner of Mass Acceleration in Denver, North Carolina, kind of the outskirts of Charlotte, North Carolina, helped build and tune that for Dodge. Let me tell you how big that is. There's so many tuners out here that have this great reputation, like RSP DMV and all these cars for being fast. But let me tell you something. John Green was invited by Dodge to help build this car. And I'll also tell you, this drag pack that you guys saw was in Mass Acceleration shops, getting worked on, tuned, dynoed, etc., all in secret. So I'll let you know, Mass Acceleration is nothing to be played with. Shout out to MXA, they build all my cars. But let's get back to the Hellcat. So yes, they can fit the V8 in this EV model. If you went to SEMA and you saw the purple Charger, I'll leave a picture here as well. So not only are they bringing the Hellcat back, but they're bringing the V8 back. So we're gonna have a 5.7 liter Hemi, a 6.4 liter Hemi, and of course, the 6.2 liter Hemi, which is the Hellcats. Now, we're not gonna know the names because the The Scat Pack is already taken for some of the inline 6 models. So what is Dodge gonna come up with? We'll find out hopefully summer of 2026. But the starting prices for your 5.7 liter Hemi will be $53,000. It's a little expensive when there are some Hemis out there that are going for 21 to 28. Then you have the 6.4 that's going for $60,000, the average price of your Hellcat. Watch my video from yesterday. And then the 6.2 going for 80 and above. Now, just like the Demon 170, all these last calls, MSRP plus a dealership markup. We'll see what happens. So, this is the info I got from TK's Garage. Shout out to my guy TK, right? He's plugged in over at the Mopar world. Is one, you're gonna have a base model Hellcat Charger. Bottom dollar, right? 777 horsepower, just like your SRT TRX that just came out. Now, don't forget, this is all-wheel drive. So this immediately puts the Trackhawk on notice off the bat, right? Then they're gonna have 2 stages, maybe a third. Stage 1 for this Hellcat will then become an 807 horsepower all-wheel drive monster. So similar powertrain probably to the Super Stock, and they're gonna put it in an all-wheel drive car, kind of like SRT, Kyle, I don't know his name, did the all-wheel drive Trackhawk Chrysler 300. Similar ideas here, right? Then you have the stage 2, which is gonna be 1,027 horsepower. Yes, you heard me right. 1,027 horsepower, outdoing the Demon 170 for the stage 2 package. Now you're like, well, what is the stage 3? I don't think they need to go past 1,027 because 1,027 on the road with a regular driver, dangerous, right? But they're talking about a Demon variant with a 426 Hemi supercharged V8, which off the bat is gonna be somewhere around 1,100 horsepower. Again, I say this respectfully. All-wheel drive cars. These will be the highest horsepower all-wheel drive cars from factory ever. And everybody wonders why I am so biased towards Mopar or why so many Mopars on the road is because they keep giving us a reason to spend the money. 2027 Hellcat V8s, supercharged cars are back. Go get your wine, go stack some money, go purchase your 2027 V8 Hellcat, and will it be worth the wait? Time will tell.